This demo is going to cover barcodes, how to implement barcodes. There's 3 different barcodes you can make. You can make a barcode for the ticket number. If you collect the serial number of a service item, you can make a barcode for the service item. And finally, for each and every part that you have, as long as it has a unique part ID, you can make a barcode for that as well. You see below here the different barcodes that are supported. I'm not going to go into the types right now. You can play around with them and figure out which ones work best for you. The first thing we need to do, though, is go to the Admin Center to see how we turn barcodes on. From the Admin Center, we select Settings. There's a lot of settings, so I need to scroll down a bit. Hold on. Okay, under the Service Ticket Settings, you will see the Barcode Ticket Number drop-down. You can say no barcode, which turns it off, or you can select from one of the supported barcodes as shown here. Let's go ahead and see what they look like once you expand this drop-down. Again, you can set it to no barcode, which disables the ticket number barcode, or you can choose from the interleaved 2 of 5, the code 39, the code 128A, or the code 128B, and the parentheses show what characters are supported. Choose accordingly depending on what you're trying to encode. Again, I'm going to scroll down a bit to get to the other settings. Okay, under Service Item Settings, you can see that I can barcode the serial number if it's collected, and I already have it set to do that with the barcode 39 option. And under Parts and Labor, I decided to also turn on barcoding for my parts using the code 128B, as you can see here. If I expand either one of these drop-downs, you'll see the same options as before. Let's see. Since I'm already in the Admin Center, I'm going to jump over to my parts and show you how to define and or generate a barcode for a part. First, I'll scroll up to the top and then click on the Parts and Labor button. I know I have a part number of VC-100, so I'm going to enter that in and search for it. In order to view and or generate a barcode for any given part, I first need to go to the Edit section of the part, so I'm going to go ahead and click Edit. Since I enabled barcoding for the part, you'll see a small barcode icon that you can click on that will generate the barcode based upon your admin selection for VC100 in this case. Let's see what that looks like. A new window appears with the barcode generated. It's ready for printout. Let's take a look at the printout options from the browser window. Using the Print button, you can select which printer you want this to print out on. Sometimes it's a label printer, for example, that you can just stick on the part, or maybe you want to print it out and then paste it into a Word document with a bunch of parts on it. It's all up to you, but that's where you do that part, the printer. And then you can also select the page setup in order to remove margins and headers and stuff. Let's see what that looks like. Notice that for this particular printer, I have margins set to as small as it could go, and I also have turned off all the headers and footers. That way, just the barcode gets printed out. Now I'm just going to close out this window. Now let's see what the barcodes look like on a ticket. I'm just going to click the little icon of the ticket list to list all of my tickets. And then I'm going to edit a random ticket to see it. Okay, there they are. There's the serial number barcode and also the ticket number barcode generated according to my settings in the admin area. You can click on any one of these barcodes in order to print them out similar to what we did before. Let's see. Okay, there it is. Now you can print it out if you want to, and maybe print it out on your label printer and stick that on the repair item that you're working on, for example. Now I'm going to close this out. Now there's a lot of different ways that you can use these barcodes. For example, you could print out this entire ticket once the service item is complete, and then stick it underneath the computer or whatever you're working on. And then when someone comes in, you can just pick up this ticket and scan either the ticket number or the serial number in order to search and pull up the ticket to take the final payment. I'm going to also show you right now that you can also click on the serial number barcode, and optionally print that out and stick that on the service item if you so choose. It's pretty much the same thing, so I'm just going to walk through it quickly. And there she blows. I'll just close the window. Just for demo purposes, let's change the serial number and watch the barcode change. I need to scroll down to the submit button. Okay, new serial number and new barcode, as expected. Now let's pretend that you already printed out ticket number barcodes for every service item that you're servicing, and someone walks in and you find the particular item of service and you just want to get the ticket number pulled up as fast as possible. Let's see how we do that. We quickly go to the ticket search icon and then set focus or click on the ticket number contains input box. Scan the barcode either off the service item or the pre-printed ticket. Scroll down to the submit button and click it. And there she blows. Cool. Now let's pretend we want to add a part using the barcode. Here's how we do it. We first edit the ticket and scroll down to the parts area. Click on the Add Parts or Labor button. Click on the Unique Part ID input to set the focus prior to scanning. Scan the barcode on the part, boop, and then click Submit. RepairTRAX quickly finds the part where you can now add it to the ticket. Pretty straightforward. I'm just going to click Submit to finish this up. I have to scroll down to see my part I added. Sweet. How easy is that? That's the end of this demo. Have a nice day.